Tree trimming in Spring Hill, Florida. In Spring Hill, trees don't just grow fast, they bring company. One local homeowner called us after hearing scratching in their attic. Turns out, a limb had grown too close to the house, giving squirrels a perfect bridge right to the roofline. And where do squirrels go? Ants, termites, and moisture usually aren't far behind. We hear it all the time. I thought it was just a few branches, didn't expect critters moving in. Overgrown limbs close to your home create a welcome mat for all kinds of unwanted guests. They also trap moisture, damage shingles, and clog up your gutters with constant leaf drop. That's where Barto Stumps comes in. We help homeowners in and around Spring Hill get ahead of the mess before it becomes a problem. Here's what we offer: tree trimming to eliminate pest pathways and overhang, shaping and thinning to improve airflow and reduce moisture, safe clearances from siding, gutters, roofs, and windows. Real quotes, real work, no upsells, no nonsense. Your trees shouldn't give bugs and animals a direct route into your home. A quick trim now can save you a lot of damage and stress later. Call Barto Stumps at 727-336-5271 or visit bartotreeservice.com for a straightforward estimate. Don't let your trees turn into a welcome sign for pests. Trim it back before they move in.